Hello my dear little ones, welcome you all to our today's EVS class. In our last class, we started the C part of our first chapter, our body. I hope all of you studied our previous topic very well. Shall we start our today's class? Today we are going to study about the good habits we must follow to keep our nose, ears and skin clean and healthy. Let's start with nose. We should clean our nose regularly. Regularly means daily. So we should clean our nose daily. Do not put fingers, pencils or other things in the nose. We sneeze when we get cold. So we have to use handkerchief while sneezing. We all know that we breathe through our nose. So we should not cover our face completely with blanket while sleeping. So these are the good habits we have to follow to keep our nose clean and healthy. Okay, so let's discuss about the good habits we must follow to keep our ears healthy. We should clean our ears regularly, and for cleaning our ears we can use buds. Do not put the things like pencils or sticks in our ears. We should not hear loud sounds. While we hearing loud sounds, we have to close our ears. Loud sounds will damage our eardrum. We know that if our eardrum will damage, it leads to deafness, right? So we should always protect our ears from loud sounds. Okay, my little ones, did you understand? Next, we have to discuss about the good habits we must follow to keep our skin clean and healthy. My dear little ones, look at the picture. What do you see in this picture? Yes, the boy is playing with his ball, right? What happened to this boy? Yes, he fell down into the mud and his body is covered with dirt. My dear children, what we do if dirt gets on our body? Yes, we will bath and remove the dirt that sticks on the body. And we should use a soap to clean our body while bathing. If we do not use soap while bathing, bad smell emits from our body and the dirt will settle down in our body and it may cause several skin diseases. To avoid skin diseases and to keep our skin clean and healthy, we should bath twice a day, that is in the morning and in the evening. Okay, my dear little ones, did you understand? Shall we read the points? Nose. We should clean our nose regularly. It is not good to put fingers, pencils in the nose. We sneeze when we get cold. We should keep a handkerchief at our nose when we sneeze. We breathe through our nose, so we should not cover our face completely with a blanket while sleeping. Ears. We should clean our ears regularly. We should not put things like sticks, pencils, etc. in our ears. When we hear loud sounds, we should close our ears. Otherwise, our eardrum will be affected badly. It leads to deafness. Skin. We should take a bath in the morning and in the evening. We should use a soap to clean our body. Otherwise, our body emits bad smell. If we do not take bath daily, dirt and dust particles will be settled on the body. As a result, we may get different skin diseases. We have to take a head bath regularly. My dear children, did you understand the topics that we discussed on today? All of you should read your textbook, okay? See you in the next class. Thank you.